So this tool slots in to this as so, which this part going to the belt. And then you will have movement, but you can double check the belt tension. So I'm going to put a wrench here. And using the water pump turning method, it seems I got it exactly to the new tension. So I can go ahead and loosen it a bit to the used tension. Torque wrench is set to 84 inch-pounds, and I have it on the stud here, and this should be set to the used tension. There we go. The belt has been set to the used tension, and I just gave the engine 2 rotations, and now the water pump is considerably easier to spin. Another test people do is trying to push the belt onto the skid plate. So down here, I can push and it touches the bottom, but at the top, it just doesn't touch. Like almost, it doesn't touch.